Welcome to the world where culinary dreams come true, the land of KitchenAid Stand Mixers. If you've ever wished for an extra pair of hands in the kitchen, you're in the right place. These colorful kitchen companions are not just mixers. They're your sous chefs, bakers, and dough wranglers, ready to transform your culinary chaos into delicious masterpieces. Buckle up as we whisk you through the best KitchenAid stand mixers that will elevate your kitchen game. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. KitchenAid Classic Series, our pick for best budget KitchenAid stand mixer. If you've ever found yourself wearing your finest flower outfit while wrestling with a traditional mixer, it's time to meet your new best kitchen buddy, the KitchenAid Classic Series stand mixer. This isn't just any stand mixer. It's a budget-friendly powerhouse that tackles your baking ambitions head-on, all while looking fabulous on your countertop. With a robust stainless steel construction and a generous 4.5 quart bowl, this beauty can whip up about 8 dozen cookies in a single batch. That's right, more cookies, fewer dishes. And when you're done baking your masterpiece, just toss the bowl in the dishwasher. Who doesn't appreciate a shortcut when it comes to cleanup? But it's not just about capacity, it's about control. With 10 speeds at your fingertips, you can go from gentle ingredient folding to a full-on whipped cream frenzy in seconds. The tilt head design allows you to sneak a peek at your mix without any drama. Just lock it in place and watch the magic happen. Crafted with 59 touch points around the bowl, this mixer ensures that no ingredient goes unturned. It's built to endure your culinary escapades, because we all know that kitchen mishaps are just part of the fun. So why not invest in a mixer that can withstand your wildest culinary dreams? Let the baking adventures begin. Number 4. KitchenAid Artisan Mini, our pick for best compact KitchenAid stand mixer. If you're on the lookout for a kitchen companion that combines charm and power in a pint-sized package, look no further than the KitchenAid Artisan Mini stand mixer. This little dynamo isn't just any kitchen gadget. It's your new culinary sidekick that's ready to make baking a breeze. Crafted from sturdy metal and sporting an adorable tilt head design, it offers you VIP access to your mixing bowl, the ultimate mix of style and functionality. With a compact 3.5 quart stainless steel bowl, you can whip up 5 dozen cookies in one go. Yes, you heard right, 5 dozen. That's enough sweet treats to impress friends or get lost in your own cookie-induced bliss. Cleanup? A cinch. Just toss the bowl in the dishwasher and you're done. No sticky mess to deal with. Weighing in at just 14.3 pounds, this little champ won't hog counter space, but is more than mighty when it comes to mixing. With 10 speed settings at your fingertips, from gentle folds to vigorous whips, you'll feel like a kitchen maestro in no time. So get ready to turn your kitchen into the ultimate performance stage where deliciousness takes the lead. All thanks to your new best friend, the Artisan Mini. Ready to mix and make magic happen? Let's dive in. Still searching for the perfect KitchenAid stand mixer? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. KitchenAid Bowl Lift, our pick for best high-capacity KitchenAid stand mixer. If you've been mixing up your baking game and looking for a stand mixer that can handle the heavy lifting, allow me to introduce you to the KitchenAid Bowl Lift, your new culinary partner in crime. With a robust 7-quart capacity, this powerhouse can whip up 13 dozen cookies faster than you can say donut. Yes, you heard that right. It's perfect for those marathon baking sessions when you realize you might need enough cookies to feed the entire neighborhood. Equipped with a whopping 500 watts of power and 11 distinct speeds, this mixer gives you the control you didn't know you needed. Whether you're gently folding in blueberries or cranking it up to speed 10 for some serious kneading, your ingredients will come together with the finesse of a culinary ballet. And that double flex edge beater? It's like having a sous chef that scrapes the bowl for you, ensuring every last morsel is mixed to perfection. Let's not forget the removable bowl and delightful stainless steel finish that guarantees durability with a style that'll have your kitchen looking fabulous. Oh, and it's dishwasher safe. Because who wants to spend time washing dishes when you could be crafting your next masterpiece? So, gear up to let your inner pastry chef shine and watch as this stand mixer transforms your baking adventures from basic to extraordinary. Number 2. KitchenAid Commercial, our pick for best KitchenAid stand mixer for bread. If you're ready to elevate your bread baking game to a level even your grandmother would envy, then the KitchenAid Commercial Mixer is your new best friend. This powerhouse isn't just any mixer, it's your culinary sidekick, built for those who mean business in the kitchen. With a capacity that'll hold up to 8 quarts of doughy goodness, you can roll up your sleeves and go big with those batch sizes. Its stainless steel construction means it's as tough as your ambition, and that 500-watt high-efficiency motor gives you the power to mix like a pro without melting down. No more arm workouts kneading dough. Let this beauty handle the heavy lifting while you contemplate your next recipe. Worried about a mess? Fear not! The bowl lift design keeps everything stable, reducing the chance of those flour explosions we all fear. And with 10 speeds at your fingertips, you can find just the right setting for everything from a gentle mix to a turbocharged whip. And while it's NSF certified for commercial use, you'll appreciate the smart features like speed control protection, ensuring your mixer won't turn on unexpectedly. So go ahead and channel your inner bread baker. This mixer is all about collaborating to create delicious masterpieces. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. KitchenAid Artisan Series, our pick for best KitchenAid stand mixer overall. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate kitchen companion, the KitchenAid Artisan Series stand mixer is ready to whisk you off your feet. With a sleek stainless steel bowl that holds 5 quarts of delicious potential, this beauty can whip up enough cookie dough for a party with ease. This stand mixer isn't just about looks. It's got 10 speeds, so whether you're slowly blending in those dry ingredients or going full throttle to whip cream into a frothy masterpiece, you've got flexibility at your fingertips. And thanks to its 59-point planetary mixing action, it's like having a tiny army of chefs swirling around your ingredients, ensuring that no clump is left behind. Don't worry about the mess. Its removable bowl makes cleaning up something you won't dread. You can toss it in the dishwasher once you've dusted off the flour. With an array of color options to match your kitchen's vibe, this mixer not only adds functionality, but also a splash of personality. Plus, the Power Hub transforms your mixer into a culinary command center, supporting over 15 attachments. Whether you're kneading bread dough like a pro or whipping up a cake to impress, this stand mixer has got your back. So go on, let your inner chef shine. The KitchenAid Artisan is ready to mix, knead, and whisk your culinary dreams into reality. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best KitchenAid stand mixers. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which KitchenAid stand mixer you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.